everybody. I woke up early, not too early, but it's 6 in the morning right now, and I'm heading to Milford Sound. So I'm super excited because the weather is actually looks good. So there's no rain, so hopefully it will continue like that the whole day. I've been reminded that from Te Anau to Milford Sound, there's no more like petrol stations, so you have to fill up gas. Te Anau. So that's the last kind of a pit stop that you have to make sure that you have gas in your car. So I'm super excited. So see you guys. Check this out. I'm here on my way to Milford Sound, and look at this view, man. It's amazing. I haven't seen like this before. So many falls. Check this out. God, it's just a beautiful place. Snowcapped mountains, majestic, towering mountains. Look at that. Check this out. This is so beautiful, man. Look at that. Look at those snow-capped mountains. Look at that. You know, I've been to Switzerland. Switzerland is beautiful too, but this place is fucking amazing. I can't believe it. It's like, wow. gonna be close to the... Check it out. Oh. You're gonna be wet. Look at that, check. Covering the camera. Check it out. Do it. Look at that. I think that's the name of the falls. Stirling Waterfalls. Check it. Beautiful, man. And there's another waterfalls there. Check that out. Beautiful waterfalls. Paradise. Look at that, man. Look at the people here. So, like, waterfalls everywhere, man. Like drunk because the water is rough. Oh guys, oh my god, this place is like hurts, man.
All the way and I'm able to give you something.
Okay, hey guys, I'm here. Oh my god, look at, I'm on my way to the tunnel, but look at that. Check this out. God, majestic mountains. Actually guys, it's hailing. Oh, hail, man, it hurts. Look at that. Look at that. Check this out. Look at the view, guys. The view, my god. Amazing. Amazing view. The mountains, the valleys. Look at that. It's snowing up there. Check that out. God. I'm actually about to enter the, I think it's called the Homer Tunnel. The Homer Tunnel. And look at that, guys. It's hailing. Look at the hail. Hail, hail, hail. God, it hurts now. Look at the hail, guys. Check this out. This is an amazing place. Hopefully it's not gonna snow, guys. It's not gonna snow because it will be really bad. Look at that. Look at the hail. Guys, check this out. God, look at these mountains, guys. Like waterfalls everywhere. Hundreds and hundreds of waterfalls. Waterfalls everywhere. Guys, look at, check that out. Amazing. Crazy. Oh God. I'm done. Thank you for watching my video. Milford Sound nestled in the Fiordland National Park in South New Zealand. The breathtaking landscape inspires exhilarating feelings of wonder. You will be overwhelmed by the stunning landscape, extraordinary beauty, unique topography, and physical grandeur of Milford Sound, and mesmerized by the cloud-piercing cliffs, snow-capped mountains, lush rainforest, and spectacular waterfalls that adorn the glacier-carved pristine wilderness of water. It is said that after a visit to Milford Sound, famous British journalist Rudyard Kipling called it the eighth wonder of the world. Guys, this is how I describe Milford Sound. It is really beautiful. It's out of this world. It's hard to explain how beautiful it is. So put it in the top of your bucket list. If you have any questions about Milford Sound, please write it in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and also the notification bell icon so you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.